Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I'm going to show you how to make this exact landing page. The landing page I'm making today is built with the Divi theme. I'm not going to go over all the features of the Divi theme, but there's one feature that you should know about. The import-export feature, which allows you to export and upload pre-built layouts into any website that has the Divi theme installed, meaning that you can upload this layout and use it over and over again with just a couple of clicks. Alright, let's get into the tutorial. Oh, and one more thing, I wanted to let new Divi users know about an exclusive free bonus you get when you get the Divi theme through my affiliate link. The bonus items include over 100 landing page layouts, a complete funnel, and guide to setting up an automated online system. Get the full details at divibonus.com. One other thing, you can get this landing page for free. That's right, I'm giving this landing page away for free. Just visit my website in the link below. Hey now, Mike Shamon here. This is how you design a landing page with the Divi theme. So what I've done is I've already just made a new row, put a text module in there with some dummy text, and I've gone to blank page on my template, and I've gone to publish. Alright, now I'm going to view page. Okay, so this is my page, and now let's get started. What I'm going to do is enable Visual Builder. Alright, and you know what, we're going to do a double column, so I'm just going to go over here to the column and go to 2 column. Okay, and this one is going to have a headline here. So let's go to design, and if you just roll with the paintbrush, it goes right to it. And I'm just going to make this alright, there's going to be one main headline, then there's going to be a subsection. So go to design, text, and let's center this up. Make this a little bit bigger. And of course, we're going to mess with the line height. Okay, bring that down, check that. Let's go to another text module. Alright, put our other text in there, and then let's go design, text, and we'll make that black. Put it up a little bit, we'll make this bold as well. Maybe make that a different color. And then mess around the line height. And then we'll center that. Okay. And design and spacing, zero it out. Same thing with this one, zero out the spacing. Alright, now then just put a little bit in there. Okay, and then let's do some blurbs. Alright, paste that in there, and then we'll go to our icon. We'll use an icon. Let's go with the check mark, the handy dandy check mark. Alright, image and icon, make that green and place that on the left. And then let's make that just a little bit bigger. Alright, and then let's add the text here. We'll make it black. And 18's fine. The line height 1.3. Okay, and then design. And let's go to spacing. Zero it out, and then put on our own. Let's put in 8 pixels. Put in 16 pixels. And actually, let's make this text a little bit bigger. Okay, duplicate, and okay, let's go ahead and get this side going. So we're just going to we'll duplicate this module here, put this over here. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a image. Alright, this is like a free video or something. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to do an email opt-in. Alright, let's take all this stuff out. And we'll go to email account. I just choose. I have a get response email account. If you want a link to that, there's a link below in the description. There's a 30-day free trial. Now, when you're setting up your email account success action, you want to put your affiliate link right there, and go to redirect to a URL. And you want to put your affiliate link right there. And now let's go to the background, content, background, no background. Let's go to design and fields. And then just do the border one. Okay. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add another blurb. Actually, this one is pretty good size. We'll just duplicate this, put it over here. All right, and then go back to the settings for the email opt-in. Let's do layout, bottom and top there. And then go to sizing or spacing and zero out the top and the bottoms. Okay, and then for this one right here, we're going to go to settings and design, image and icon, and then content, image and icon, and let's pick out a cool one. This lock looks pretty cool, and then we'll make it gold. I'm gonna go black for right now. What we're going to do is we're going to go to row and design, sizing, use custom gutter width. Okay, and then what we'll do is we'll increase the width. Okay, 1920. Let's bring it down just a little bit here. Let's go back to 1200 actually. Okay, and then 1200 looks fine, I think, for what we're going to be doing here. So let's go to check, and we'll fix all the spacing here. All right, so, but let's actually maybe we'll put the gutter width a little bit up. See, this is all like whatever you want it to be, really. You just got to figure out what works for you. Actually, use the gutter width right here. And I think actually maybe 4 gutter width would be good for us right now. So let's just go check. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a section here and go to my row settings, and I'm going to edit this column. I want the background to be different, so background color. Just go to gray. Actually, let's just go to light blue. Light blue. Okay. And then let's get the sizing of this picture down a little bit. Put that in the middle. And then we'll do a little border around that. Alright, so now that we got that in there, I'm just going to add a little bit more spacing to this. Again, I'm just going to go to the design. Actually, I'm going to go to the column and add spacing at the top and the bottom. Actually, I'm going to not do the bottom. What we'll do at the bottom, we'll go to this blurb module and let's go to, actually, let's go to the blurb module, design and background. Everyone choose a different color. Alright. And then going back to the icon and make that white. Go into text. Make that white. And let's lower it down. Alright, and then let's go to the image and icon. And lower down the icon size. Alright, and then we'll make some spacing here. Okay, and just go to sizing. Make sure everything's in the middle there. Alright, let's go back here and go to spacing. Maybe we'll do a little more. All right. All right. And actually, I could put a border around that. And then let's go to a box shadow. Let's bring this down a little bit. All right, so that's a cool little section right there. And usually you have like a little text right here, like the enter your email below. Design text, and let's make that black, and then make sure you do the line spacing, the line height. It's going to be in the center. Okay, and then you got to do the spacing on this one. Okay, and then you got to do the spacing on this. Okay, and then now what I kind of wanted was an arrow pointed over this way. Now let me show you something kind of cool that you can do. All right, to get this effect, even if you don't have like a Photoshop or something to work with. All right, what I have is I have this awesome screenshot. I'm in Google Chrome browser, and I have this awesome screenshot. Now what you want to do is you just want to catch a selected area. So I'll just catch this whole area so I can show you guys kind of what I'm doing. Capture. All right, so once you have it in here, you can change your color. I'm going to go to red. I'm going to arrow, and there I'm doing my arrows right there. Okay, now if you want it to be bigger, you could do that, and actually that looks better. So what I'll do is I'm just going to delete all these other ones. Okay, now then let's just do that. And if you want to do anything else, you can. I don't need anything else, but what I'll do is I'm just going to go crop. I'm going to crop out this arrow right here. Go to crop, and done. Download the arrow. And then one of the things I would do too is compress this file. Since it outloads it as a ping, I'd compress it. But I'm not going to do that right now just for this purpose, but you can check out my other tutorial video about compressing images for websites to do that. Alright, so let's just add in the image here. Alright, upload that. Check. Boom! There it goes. Now if we go to our tablet, alright, now you just gotta do your spacing. That looks alright actually. Unless you want a little bit more spacing on the sides of this this column. So we'll just go that, go this column, go design and spacing, and we'll just do 16. Okay. Now check. And check. And what we'll do for this image is we'll just go to settings, and we'll go to advanced and visibility. Actually first let's see, this is on the tablet, so visibility will go disable on the phone and the tablet. Okay, so we're not going to see that on the phone and the tablet. We'll see this right here. Save that, and then just go to the phone. Alright, so that all looks good there. Let's go to the phone again. Okay, that all looks good there. Alright guys, there's another free landing page for you. Go ahead, check out my other tutorial videos, and I hope you guys have a good day.